no can be.
No can, no can.
I'm not.
Alright, so you know solo cover there you are. Don't know, you come to Nissan. I first started with all the car place. Can you yellow? So that's what I said. No, no, solo head. No, 2.5 for more. Alright, so inshallah, my free yellow. So what's up to the one? To measure it sometime yellow. Lifestyle, generation shall be your mama. 10 livres. Tiens, tu m'as tapé d'un peu vieux pour le. Et quand il y a un mal bien. D'un vieux lang, on a tout un peu me parler. So là, so, after start Mustafa, the drive time host, on y a l'homme de Joan, tu tables, Raspitcha man, on y the lunch time host, Nessim FM. Et un nombre de habits, 4 ans, j'imagine en télé. So le camp IB, bon avant Nessim FM, Nessim Morning Drive with Zola Malema. Avant ça, quand même.
I just sort of part now. Oh, we thank God.
So
we will manage it.
Azake mi no mabe.
Oh, inshallah.
Mala.
Yeah, yeah,
Allah ka tafi zaka bi ya ba.
Ayo chani. Ayo mo mi no kuto ba. O ba ba sha na lo ko le. O ba ba sha ko ndo la yo ko to pa ma no chiro tale. No ba la bi ya no mi ko la.
Rasta ka wala. So okay. I'm going to cover Rasta. Can start with Rasta. Because Rasta is a trend from things and then and the one put 1 minute analyze it. GS mini Rasta fears there to Ayina, you understand? And then Achimotani Shukus as never put Rasta, Biko Rasta, you understand? I say Rasta, look, easy meeting those or we keep back.
You can hear Maji Sharin. There's no Shukushaba.
Okay.
Mammy, Bisubin Sasachi Motama, GB 10 Yaba.
Ah, okay.
3 place. Kaba Brava.
Okay.
Kaba Dubaima, 10 different schools. Banguna Babu, number Shinto, Michelle. Okay. Achimota man, no to ask one, she wouldn't be like a Zaman. Bogangela behind me.
Wow, we're off for what?
Well, you may not GS that to a friend of
to black. Yes, GS like that to boy. Become like a
so, yeah.
Okay. And Laju Shamjana, Lanzunuma, Granum Yetam comes I. But I
listened to the interview of
Never cool Nayama. The man is a Jamaican.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Kagane. He has stayed in Ghana for 20 years.
Yeah.
Obiano and Kaborkan, Kachana, Kagana, until me come more permanent citizen in Ghana. Now I don't to Ghana card, now for 2 years.
So I think Ophila Pungo Jamne, the one of racism better.
Thank you. Because all your pictures Pamna in the school. Banye Bampia Kamas Wala Kabishu Kurman.
Yeah.
Ka Bepi Chama Masano.
And the normal circumstance, Akpambane, being my rasta, the don't allow who don't school.
Mama, I am Mama.
Okay.
Then now the school catch on national service now.
Okay.
Now I was senior high.
Okay.
I was the sculpture master.
Okay.
So which school one ka be another one with me, the bust of the first headmaster of the school.
Okay.
I'm a bus, which is a bus.
I
be minister.
Yeah,
to no attack. Cause I do my photo to me. Can me la bust me.
Okay.
That was on as practical. Can member my meal.
Okay.
So ka exams man, but be SSC tampai. Be man sorry. Nabi ajukul man kabaru zos kana. Ka last subject na woman. Ijim ka assist headmaster mi anya zon.
Okay.
So rajam ko tuzo pa assist to be shakam.
Okay.
Karapaka shukuru po.
Yeah.
Nuko touch you man because sweet something na kusana bam
yeah.
Kapama to be ono obi alo boy makena office na head board na country. We mane school ma yela be ma resource man kana. They take about subject shelma. First ever cover nila better grace.
Okay.
So for that matter, the malaka ma bore in service shukuru man. But there is one thing.
Okay.
And by what is it? When we are no mala dreadlocks. So ni don't go any problem to him because Mundubo no employer ma come like oh you comment mati
okay yes
GS Accra to my appointment. But this is the problem. Shall be facing. Man, you are. Don't couldn't can performance ma. Zaurma with deny ma. Be to my change. Yeah. Be performance to be ma. Doesn't make you. The betuna at her way to our. And problem man and the perception. My last perception, I don't consider to go by you know, how pass ma. Yeah. When you need to go to me, I ain't tired. I'm not even going somewhere.
So you think
so? Love and my discrimination might be you. Didn't take you know now we need to go to certificate and apply for any job anywhere. I don't got the establishment.
Business.
Discrimination be a low come. When Benekunyaka Malo, Bambami, Halambo, you perform good Kaula. Zaurma Bale is Abjaniel. And there is a slavery mentality here. According to I can history, Selmis Mabunda barred Africans as Daba. Being Yaka Malocks, being Zoma, he will be very troublesome. Kablanya, Kablanya, man, tough. Kababa, Penny of Mantava. So, Brafoster and Pindaba can make you feel that Mumalia is an evil. Let's talk about Mama. I mean, since I can't cover the Pendabas. But Africa, because you can't boom silly. You are an evil. That is me black man, that is me Bokola.
Will you support the Rastafarians taking Achimota school to court?
Not to my own Chankotu. We in Chankotu, I will interpret law to Kunya. Because law, my basic education, right to education. Everybody have the right for education. And Bangmanaka mo anko yinjang resource makana achimata.
And the boy is brilliant.
Come on anko yinkana. O pass my aggregate 6. Yeah. Then you the best anko ye BC yakusam the best anko yenya aggregate 6 ma omi malami. The pala kama go no ko yen bantu pass me. Kiyane ozawara mazo.
It's bad. It's bad. Alright, so Mafia, we are talking lifestyle, and then the first year, Lala, Rastafarians, Zahanyele, this organ that I first have when we do, and then, of course, one in Melky doesn't color. I was Angele as someone, yeah. Do you think, GS, the tune of the Sakash, the Nachimba Chanshukuru, any Medre local Bansanga?
You see, to Liam Pulam can be some band like Kawunda. Okay. You know, Kakarati Chiti Jima Pune. Okay. I really, as I to share song, I need to share them, very important. Katuna to Shishi Helena. But to me, my name Yale to share Zanchang Lala Zabchava. Okay. Chakati and Zabchava. Okay. And the rest of the and my son is in Belama. Chakati is Zabchava. The Karanzanda Pune. Okay. Yes, then Yara. Yet Pini, a opportunity resort. And as in this time around Katinia Lai Toma. But many years some yellow command. I'll direct the issue, ma. Per GS code of conduct. Okay. Come on, GS, Vezelpanapune. Okay. The Wulala, Kamaniri Mali Zabchava. You know, the Wuhanu to be Karanzone. Okay. You know, Wime Zabchava, can to be Karanzone, ma, Wulakabi, Wulan to the trade too. Okay. So I talk to you, Mammy, to my Kamala Zelpana. Come on, be trying to my letters Zelpana. So I bring the Zelpana market, definitely to Monaco. The Zelpana in your command, Shannon Loose Mass. Carno Loose Market. There's a machine at the Boleta, be cut a carrier. So we didn't carry Zelpana, GS, Ghana Education Service, named Zelpan Yama Commandi, Zapchava with Cherry Carans on the Pune. Having to my own Chanko to win in a sense. You get it? But a Rasta Yelly to actually a very critical issue. Come on, I really. The black mentality of Kamani Zabchava. The Chami caterpillar command, the Nilkamu Mel, the info well in you. We pen that you're never. And you understand it. The Chamakama, the perception of Kamani Bamel in Yella Vanurba. Come on, but Ghanaian will come 99%. And you see, the reason why Karen Yella and Yella Kaman, we're looking at Loshepulu din Yinama, Loshepulu Lela Kauchama. La culture of Rastafarians, Telma, then you know, Shapuma, then check out the bubble line trauma. And you see, so then I got a bubble like character Karazan the Puma. Teacher and Mabi can ban a man to feel a command. Ah, Zalanik Piano on Jirban Piama, on Van Tima, on Mobile Tima, on Urban Yahari. So therefore, what is only nzang loading. Thank you very much. I mean, so tia can I talk from that angle? I think GES no to Maria Male. Okay. I mean, understand ya. Come on, like so
should we dwell on people? Should we dwell on people's perception?
Yeah.
Looking at GES mama, this is essential.
Yeah.
Should they dwell on people's perception?
No, not really. Man, check out my code of conduct, man.
Okay.
The virtual come and they believe in your perception, but the code of conduct of educational system, man. So I really GES need to explain it. The reason why Kaba allowed the result chaba. Come on, for instance, Master Surati be bisco. To have Mbaka Chaba Daniel, Raum Slows come on bushy. So you know, Kachi we share it. Rachel that we share. Come on, la guys, no normal. For me, a young guy, can you musician? Okay. Or I will la bisco. So they shall coach you to principle. Okay, I can toast. Okay, I go principle. Where I must stand a man, the headmaster, no problems. Yeah, because of Ochama. You see, she could come in the room Sebe. Okay. And come and switch over all. Okay. She could be a player like a vital role. They can't be home support. Okay. And you understand it? The Mizan in every society, in every society, come kaicha. Okay. So we hear you talk via. So we hear you talk via as and chan come and Zarchavapolo. Okay. And you understand it? Do Casso come in ye. So could be a mezza chava, the partial ras nation. Come on, the partial who nation womb very well. Thank you very much. I mean, understand. But if you look at Kamani, Nivo Shabanzan, Kamani, Rasta Tale, Mel the Tum the Tuishana. Okay. The Tono Karaniela come an educational Ghana education service number 2 lick come and let anger man. Okay. Kafila come and the Nil Kamumel, Gela Jahu. Come to that dinner for instance. Come at Chaganta, Mahale. Come to that dinner for instance. To the Navia Timakamani. Anything, Bishak come then. The Muslim Kamani Muslim becha for no meeting on Rabenshaw. Can you Muslim don't go there? So had a fan yellow command in the last Sahama Muslim down Serlavati Sungo. So won't serve a teen smart, catch up for no man but wumsa. So Kakuto differentiate a Muslim from a chafra. So can never come and never eat a womb 17. Cut a bow, cut Bazan Bango, the plea like it, Kamali. That would differentiate Muslim from Christians. That would differentiate Muslim from the Muslims. I mean, understand. So come on, Jabu, that Bambi and I Jamuli, but I've done something. I generally Zua Yanga. I would tune the Yazon. So a Ghana education in the two Lila, but question shall I Buhamang, Mania Yelman no. The Batuna come on, young Ghana. Certificate in young Kote. That's why we are not growing. That's why we are not growing. We don't go by the experience. Yeah. But we go by the certificate. That's the example. Yeah. Then I'm to come on. No. Come on, like Ras Mumba, Hydra to come on, Rasta experience by Pierre Carol Zander. Can you teach him? The two master of Vera. Yeah, I need to put you come now with the Yumnaki. Come on, my teacher could be. Yes, I could be in. We have teachers who were into that. It's true, a lot, but. The problem man yela come on lela appearance man. That's my issue. Problem bela start. Should we look at appearance? Appearance is yeah, that is sure. Appearance man but I really come on look at yela lo we believe in Beckham Ghana, we believe in certificate more than any other person. Come on, that guy is brilliant. You results. Yeah. Nivo Shukuru the way 1 year I'm on the bank some views and yeah. So
Obama knows on usually on Neso for over years.
You see, so come on, they shouldn't be looking at 3D layer company appearance, but sometimes appearance it matters a lot.
Okay, so because TN appearance it matters a lot. Fine. That is different appearance. Pump. So look neat. Can you so uniform you understand? So many things. The thing you have in pump. What have you done with $10 okay. So Tinya Labi Yarapam. Rasta, so maybe I'll read from Rastafarians. Welcome Yara. What are they doing now? Are you guys doing demonstration or anything?
Bema Bama Yulimbone Ras Min Krabia.
Okay.
Okay. As me crab ya yell me. They are seeking advices from their lawyers.
Okay.
And to what to, and moreover, now be like to be my admission shukurmane. Obenjam.
Okay.
Because people started the shama.
They don't treat him well.
They won't treat him well.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
For that matter, Okubon make shukurma banka one day. School ma law but Ghana law.
Okay.
Ghana law won't shukurma karambe ma shukurmane.
Yeah.
Then that Ghana Education Service not yala. Ponya Bema. So only former Director General of Education.
Okay.
Or another thing of car headmaster of the school because of disrespecting Ghana Education Service.
Wow.
Bunkuto or the mother to me. Oh no. So cannot grant me nothing the press conference and will come and they then they don't be Bema be channel strike.
So the issue is that man the board man about the code of conduct. Come on.
Come on.
Yeah. Come on. Let's move it far from the Ghana Constitution. The Ghana will institution come results. So let's look at the angle of Ghana Education Service results. Code of conduct of Ghana Education. I mean the Sati
Okay.
The Sati Lelenirbo ni say chabru. Do man to take come and say shukuru. Hala zabri la izu bushi be chele.
To dinye
no, the part of Ghana Education Service school.
The carapone.
Oh, I see. The
carapone. But me claiming such a way that being here with Sabri. I didn't have power.
Yeah.
Make a pastor. Me were all the religions are preaching that power whom some bizarre caramel.
Sure.
I'm being here with that. I am going to mahatam the pone. Bele tanka silmisma ba kana bolong de bala. Because blame that singing is spirit than black man. Mr. Bonzo my interview as a woman. PTA chairman of the school.
Yeah.
Ne program man ne silmisma ne karmana for period changa. Remember business school senior kama bibo la kashabi Ghana changa na man. Atimota be changa sema tantu changa. Kamba you no man kan na yon changa. So ne kana la ma because you want to do school rules and regulations.
Okay.
Karabo zab wala maza the man ane tenem best sawle so you make zab wala nene and distract la otama karambushi kabo akasini smart na man in which way
come on which
hospital bo la kam sabo when ne distract only akule o interview le remela ne more over ne be chase listening e chose no bia me
Okay.
so te yi chete be.
Alright, so
if that is the case, then the tune come and Ghana. Gardemia Shukurza to the Safirians.
Lack of subject.
I think that will be
and it will be bad.
Yes.
It will be bad. It will be very bad. Alright. So we are moving and then this is what we are doing now. Lala news another news now. Karabang money another sort of racist. Another sort of racist can born the tapsele. Tapsele Kenyanism because Rastafarians to complain and then it's something can be news everywhere. Wesley Girls Senior High School bans wearing of hijab and reading of Quran. Wesley Girls, but bani Muslim be ponchabe bam dans the certainement comme voir hijab ma ya ça là vilma ban par vilma de banit kala yelne bin je sa ka bu chantu je karan de Quran la no ban de ba
Muslim school.
it's just
a normal school. Is it government school or private school? Is it
a
government school?
Yeah.
Wesley Girls.
Yeah, it's government school.
So yeah, read the level 2 ki itapsel Bikara.
Okay.
The school authorities of Wesley Girls Senior High School have reportedly banned the wearing of hijab and the reading of Quran of Muslim students in the school. According to information cited on My News GH, the authorities of Wesley Girls have banned all Muslim students from worshipping and wearing hijab on campus. Some Muslims on social media and all students of Wesley Girls have registered their displeasure over the new development amid the Achimota Rastafarian Burhaha. According to reports, some Muslim students disclosed how they hide to pray and read the Quran after the ban. In an interview with some parents, they disclosed how students who were admitted were returned to their parents over the wearing of hijab. Okay. So, Avasaf, it's something that was allowed.
Yeah.
It's something that was there. People, but you have schools in it. You have schools in it. Those things we used to see. Those stuff. So now Western girls know you to ban it.
With what reason?
But now you know the reason.
Okay. So whenever you know with the reason, ma tell you to cheer up on a very deep. Better cool in the brush.
Yeah, of course. But don't you know the reason because the thing is, but reason come on something now. Come on, like maybe the point come on, but a ban.
Okay.
So why can ban it? They are still keeping it. You understand? So in the first place, who will take it that point, ma? Why, no matter how their reason is, something that was allowed in the school suddenly coming out of ban.
Okay.
With any reason they have.
Okay.
Should they ban something like that?
Yes, I think the yellow company then I mean pumpiani. Cut a banner. Then the 2 minutes to will the pool very deep.
Okay.
And find out name.
Okay.
Will it at Kahalakan?
Okay.
So you man the Hydrapun can cut a pumpian ma. Will it at Kahalakar can cut again?
Okay.
Kabulili Kahalakar banner.
Okay.
You see, sometimes they check on the board come and reason ma. They check on the board reason ma. Sometimes so to banner banong. Cut a very tangible reason. How come Musulus Adina? Kamusulus Adina Bakali.
Okay.
I mean, understand. Come on, so to Yella, so to Mulu office. Come on, Rasta office. Come boys. Okay. Kasong biro ikan na ni mai. Ujirla Kurana kana. Rasta te ban no laji Kurana kana chongo. Okay. Rasta ban no laji Kurana kana chongo ma. The two Mali Islamic ideologies back.
Okay.
I understand.
I understand.
The minute no karanyela also hurla. So sometimes bani na mbian. Kakela kare. Okay. The two are very careful. Let's find out why Karada bien, why Karlakan. Okay. Reason my young check to discuss let me give you a scenario. Ghana was beautiful. They also Rachan Ghana was beautiful. Kabato the really Kabene Boko Sato, Kochang audition Kabako. Yeah. In the name of no hijab. Okay. And it was on Facebook everywhere. Karbe Facebook, kokara to yellow Facebook, no chang makaba, bakoro Ghana most beautiful, bambone to bam karawanda. Ghana most beautiful, kaya hijab chankaba kara, kaya na tiyin na tizapa has musula. Who would do that? Because I chamba shan mahal musula subasate. Musula subasata Ghana most beautiful, kacha na to kwa musula se, they kacha na to give musula se jikapunala. We don't do that. I mean, understand, so sometimes when you're saying again me, I know the dependent on Tiam Baka with reason here. If I Ghana was beautiful, Kabaka Kayan Muslim Yunat Zabazo, today Zabazo, because Adadina Bata, Adadina Mamma Bata, so not channel. Okay. So sometimes, come on, for instance, the Tonan Karina come and be 1 year hijab. Example, Kanti, come and these are Makamande, be 1 year hijab, but Zala hijab Maya, and some pluma. Katum Yarba, Kakish Kurma Jongan and to do a Gira Chankla. The two of Banale. No. The two of so that's it. Let me tell you. That's it. If so is on to do does it qualify everyone? Madam call you sama. Look, let me tell you something. Madam call you sama. Maso come in non lama ko ba yuselma. Bibe banner bien zan la hijab man san shukur be. Yara am commande dinde yela commande terrorism shango if lela reason ma yela lela then the tune of bani come an example shukuri jani ka karna kura ka karna kura ka so lisia ozan la kura ma karma inte lo chapeau to bi ozan kura ma karma ozan tumne tum bier shukura busman ka mi ta karama the tune of yela ya no kura ne sorlang do kura ne because ya I use la kura ma ya nzangle nchaka nirba banye Christians be kama bampa musulma kara reduce Quran ma danza amiara sanebo nir kamizan Quran majere archel kamurusu nir kamizan Quran be hijab mbasle zan le tolo chapeau de mutunaki archel kamurusu shukur be ngopam bien kama sometimes shukur shadan kazuma jingle be shukoten friday we melaje no channel zuma jingle kabati maswale kabati zuma jingle ka to do da gwaju. So So could you know why? Got banned, there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, so Tia and Lucia Miela Kamati and Kira Puli deep. We have to know the reason why
Man, I have a staff need to share my okay. School man. Come out for instance, as fashion. Let's on beta school. Okay. It's not one Wednesday. Okay. But be a church. Okay. School man. Christian school. Burul. So behind niggas, Bashika Pane, I'll be church man. I'm going on hand it. Boom Bishop will worship. I'm not general church. You and Chala Tishigo Anglican. I assume that can try to tell a church. Tishigo Anglican. I assume that I occupy the entire that church man. I go to church, I issue man.
That is so. Okay. Alright. That's very interesting. Very interesting. Okay, another solution nobody talks in yala. The yala wanna be put on bela. When you under to Sadat. Or we are les entre Ghana Premier League. And then the last two matches, the last match, ora yala won pill Vilma. La Vilma. Ora pill because I'm the boilema. You understand? Yeah. So can do your trap because she has no but so much number. So much number. Come on, number. You understand? So on number ma. Car will get a kama. O you let somebody Paba. The Muslim Paba. Okay. No, at least the two but cover was all can be well.
Look, okay. Let me tell you something. Now the Kakbang you to be too. Okay. It has nothing to do with the promotion of Islam. Okay. Aye. Nisem try never now go confusion. No, never now go confusion. This year, your man and your coach. Come on, can your coach be can GFA? Okay. I bought hijab, be come on, Sarah Pau. You quit the parasite. Okay. You are able to kind of I need a paya who so jeans. Can pay ya to him. Who jeans stretch, that's all like a camo, who pay ya to him. Then check will come a girl no ye hijab. What are you talking about? Bengal and Aldum Sama among ma. Aldum Sama mamma, the Melaba Yashayans and them Sama. So, can you design Saro Kunko, Carnela Zabro Kunko Kandam say, in your boy the kind of Panuta, Panuta, Kabul Shank, and it has
so comparing someone,
you no difference. Comparing someone who could be no Sarga, Kakunya, now how swagger. Why? I'm on Kusaman but no. No, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, you're Look, let me tell you. And it doesn't make you. And I'm buying something jump word to come and day on another line. Secretary also jump. That's wrong. So that's what I'm telling you. That is wrong. So can Jeremiah. Because I am so fighting mere bolle. Cap Sarga. Beka Bob Sarga. Beka Bob. Munafiki tell me it's a hypocrisy. We are not going to clap for you. Tell them boy the man you call them Sama. I go to observe among Nazan Katu. What guys are Muslims and Melbourne Nazan? I Zula. That comes out of confusion. Don't come out of confusion. One, yeah, I know. I don't know be a I don't think buy and pound like that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. You can hear my pants. So let's remove football, female football. Now, thank you very much. Open my meaning. I'll deal bar. Because the man, so
Okay,
so that's the first story of the day. Ban celebratory Anatu of Northern Ladies. First time, alright, so got to move it on to finally story shall and story shall tap say can somebody to cut on this is actually generation chatting be shown the Panyara or die.
Yeah.
Shitting your lover. Temperature station before la yet to appear and better all die. Oh, you're not showing your lover. We're none. Baby, lot of things is actually boys have made money. Yes, can but as to go to social yella. Tell a little bit of a pandel. Generation chatting beyond. Become near Kunyam now to Kunyel. But as to enjoy the strong one yellow, be strong one yellow, be strong yet of a pandele. Wulakatian ka the mentality about making money. Kare change. Kare bejama kama shane yellow, wulan shane yellow. The deux jours ça avait tant ban ben change du shane yellow. Wulakatian what do we do? First off,
great. La bouille to a man yellow you trash it in your pin.
Okay.
Cartuna command it is on the Zana. That's a very deep.
Okay.
In Chala look shell.
Okay.
The nearby tendant.
Okay.
Catisia. Catiere come and Biahu to her. Then tuna command in Sarah. In the mid hour later, la Biahu and the money.
Okay.
Jaguma city. Come on nowadays, people are
Irish. Yeah.
Catini no yere.
Okay.
Na no franco speak muna. Ne hide ze ne kamane. So nya vli. Amun yar zi. Ye to on yellow program na garbu. Na zo kan yam.
Wow.
Ne hide ze ne kama so nya vli. Kamun yubna. No only can problem with that. A very young boy like me. Kaman kuna ntobe gire zo haine zo kana we gire de zo. So un program ne ba monitoring program. In yellow program ne nga 10 times.
Wow.
Kanise ku yago nambani yai na halin muna kama mun happiness kama mun sudo shi be kama mun yubin nan bushi ai mun di bele hin yafi yu kan yaban shawo
Wow.
so yi hil yana so bian o yi hil yana ba biro so ne
Of course.
so when this incident when lele to alwona yai kampa buhamba then one has to be very careful.
Yeah.
The tuning inside no very extra careful.
Okay.
Mumbo ma den yimna polo kan yel mawo.
Okay.
Ne sami ki yel ye to akara yinu nwe no talem.
Yes. Yes.
Nirna jin yel ye to akaba talem.
Yeah.
Kama no ku ye ta sha.
Yeah.
Actuma wa topic kama ni tin ye. To ma ne yere to ma ku talem ka kare.
Malanya.
That is how it is.
Yeah.
So when you see people ko ya no nwelem fai. Ai masa nwel di kafa ulao. Nwel ba fa ula. Atinya kaso ye atokunya kaso zola no kwa. Now, so you have to be very careful with that person. I can do it. Mun tali me kana yel ma malala nyesuhi ni say tali to akara wulgo gursu woni ntobe yura kayina.
Yeah.
Am yo yenu nwele fa.
Okay.
The gela sumani kan nwele ma fa kayina ma.
Okay.
So the incidents be lela ben yarma the system wona pa.
Okay.
Am yetin pirsha alaji mi nda ni chiama de ne ten numbers ni me. People are dying. Nirba pam ku dola te da ship to woni nirba pam ku dola bargu ne yensi nirba pam ku do bala woni karanyela kama ne bukuban son ku ku obunzo be son ku ku obukata mergo so yes it's there de bien be problem manyela na on ne zan kama kum karanye swasel le zan titima how would you know akutu bale de ni chaka na on swale titima so kama I will come recently Tenje sa chelmo.
Okay.
Tenje sa chelmo.
Okay.
Lela ben yar chel avant yi to chel son. Lela ben yar ma bien pas.
Déjà.
Njila afat tel susal. La fi to akal la yala.
Okay.
So kanani mani. Ka zang small boy so. O muno yang dama. O brothers mani o de o mada da bien. O brada. Ka zang o kanala la afa wasan.
Okay.
Kan yela volta region ko chapter di lartin.
Ndiwo?
Lartin.
Mwanandira.
Now zo mpo now. Now you know po now.
Wow.
I was there. The pala kama so nyeka ya. Volta region. Bandu. Ko chapter di lartin.
Bando House of Lions.
Ka lartin maya. Kara gwendel otuzo pa bo mon banye shin.
Huh?
Demi ku ning la laban ma ku na to la otuzo pa ku lan to da for even ever. Subhanallah. Shi ni mo shi ke la fan ma. Tamali to aka ku yara ma da pala kama tan shi. Wow. I was there live.
Wow.
So la laban ma nang de te try so dun dong ma ne. Kara banu shi. Ka la confession mo kana da pune. Kabazongo kanale la afumasa. Life itu akan yara. Tamali. I'm not kidding.
Wow.
Nirba pampu dila bo lare. Young boys. Kayo ne game boy. Slimingo ko gab. Temi kul ben yoro gab slimin suma. Though it's not necessary.
Yeah.
Temi nyara on gab slimin suma. Slimin wele be slimin tanka sen no la. You don't know.
Yeah.
But abam nyang babam yo to ku woman no pick me.
No.
Toba shaba baba picker me trusil misi. Be picker me kan yele ya ninsenma be kaman dadama be dadam taba. Kaman nang lala me ya.
Subhanallah.
Guys so yelma me. Ne sonda zon guys sonda zongo silmi ngana. Net zantu ka be dira kam ni nyon wota kana. Su ni nyon go ma da kana. Atin kaman be dinga ta wi ma. Nta kan zo ma bo bangai. On boho bangarmo. Hali kama hali zuma hali I to 50 pesos. On mi asujena. Ko na mi nyemun na mi malorka. Mun na mi malorka ma lur na pa lur na ba. Tabango. Yeto akan ku yara. Kambo a wula ta nan ba no bahama bangar. No ra chang la flandu susan. Ka la flandu ma te reveal le to. Ko kana to bohle la small boy ma ko ni yama no ra she boho bangar. Ko yolo to rongona wula katienna ko ero wane za changunda nang la kubuka ko zo changla ni ma sa ko ne no la ko la kanang so no ku chamte suhma ne na o yuro na rencha ka yuro anda kun kan da yela yan jamin didache la ter at yuel de cha ka ni ina ku yuel de cha no ra kun yuro kan je nang le ta ka yuel cham bia no ko no nang ma na o zo kan yara ka ba zo ma banga ona be ni ma na jiru hala I'm not kidding. Kamal nirba ni te papa shel dem pama na ku telgamte. So sometimes nirba pam everybody is eager for money. Demi year la wum sirna. Wum sir song year la bi song na.
Okay.
Wum sir song de year la bi song na. Aku wum sa bi venyalanga. Oba abin bilare ya hafun. I wum sa bi zo.
The funny thing is
the
funny thing is now people are in pitching.
What are you talking about? No we are talking to me to amber.
People are in pitching.
Kashirku kama no so jilma. Yeah. Ka kunye so ko na mi mel arzi pupo ka kulan to do mama MTN chip. Once in 50 pesos. She will tell me to. Ka ni so ko na mi mel arzi ka la arma gum to ka ku do na wonu to na. But sometimes say no mbosser too much. Say no mbosser mbo no to na wontuma. Ka Naomi shimba. Ka so wonna ma biela zan taba. Be ka li mel shi go ba. So mostly problem ma yirla wum sibna. The way to wum sibta be hidun dona nisha. Ni ma na ka problem ma yirla.
Okay.
I do abi ka ku yulu. I do abia ka ku yulo en zumi. I do abia ka ku yulo be ka ku liho o en zumi.
Okay.
Ami do abia.
Bila shabiane.
Okay. Rasele toma.
Bilamba. Bishabiane. Okule anyini. Kanya ntama za daron kayamba beyin ka phone. Awaka kan da phone ta ka ba pile SMS ma bo.
Okay.
Bilamba dara phone man da using and tabe no sakawa.
Okay.
I 10 years to come.
Okay.
Dina nyer chama don sodi yan kana toni.
Wow.
So blambo hande tuma. So you change shukuro.
And then most of them don't even want to invest in business.
Investment. You only know how investing.
Okay.
Only me and nyer chama no ka
okay.
Be pam bet.
Yeah, wait, bet.
Lotto. Bubble tum the two share.
Yeah.
Hala bizo tatu mane. O mata no ni ma tu no tuma we kan chapel mo phone o bora sharp money abu me yan mo be ban la biya pam irin betting me government na plan ban la
o chebe na ran tete
o chele kini mo biya me Albert ya Regimea age bien before I had film this man bien
age man
this time was that kalam na this time was become bet man
bishop because of church man obejon okay because of me and why can dirma tele chiri kunno ngani sa ha ndira ngo okay kam ka tu zon na zon kem tu da tu makani dai boko na le obono o people do no air condition
aba bipola bampa focus on o chante di bukata iren di nanko o chanto di nanko nyar zichi
la mashamo ita sera kana ya okay la mashamo okay o de la moto maya kaze ya o baiti ba moto ma kalu o entui o mi tu enyela ano
ya wala
ay bien
ntia dindelma alzum o ba be bara moto ma e ko ba bara
so ko sura
dindelma alzum ba de o ba chen la jengane ko yam ba be ba won zo no be ba moto
na
asho babam so pun yoro ni la bin ma hitwa
subhanallah
mbabemba wano bemba ahemba amba mbemba moto zo e kai na chang ti o sabe sin chang jengane o te ko na kabija pe yin oche kuna ka obi ma pe yare batru manajina ni bi ma fon wan ara kunyo ka da ko mo bi o na so baji la batina
palu inna de
shara kunyo aku tiam de la shara o yon ko ki pale alo
and you see massa let me
tell you there
yeah oh it's real ana jingal the law ya albias and you see problem man yela kama mostly before la kama young guys we will learn the talk
that is it it's very
massa berga mu akbanga tinye bini mer bongal
yes
so o ba berga mu akbanga tinye o so
that
is the question mu bo so anya ko ba pa me ko maya o yan nan ka nyama o yimna no titi ya mi kunye so kan no yimna no titi no whatever be mu nyama mun no ko nyela adi bora no bika wula whatever be the case you
en ka bo sha bien ya ami no benda gba ta sha benda ya chen lo pa zo yan ta sha no pa mla de marafa no
okay
ka zo mo pam abu mu bitaka MTN venda bitaka
ba that's the issue
ka bo sha ha ya dur mo akpanga I na bora la da moto sha ari ma moto ko inda
no no we jira
ka bo sha
wala onda we jira chon wala vita wala wala
ka bo ta varle ntino durne mo akpanga o la ka ma bum pibe bum pishi
o jambo ga to kwa
ka bo vale benza o ko haila bongolore ka bo vanna ncham to kwa ko ko da loro pala ka no ma o sli ma seno la na block ba aluna
shina ya
okay
all right so then I just saha net samba no shirka ivolna ambashele ka zampa nja tapsi ya apam ndi tabne sur ya bamani ne bazamba par exemple c'est jima par exemple yanga 0372020117 0372020117 desola yule yakabona desola yule ami
atamna kwa mo ayapa
bala no kwa ka ayapa sen biwa to zum
ndo bai no ma na bende dimma amana na barka mai
ami
anya be jamba ja
naam
ule ja fitira la da ta la tulio
yamale
de tendai ne la
asisti
tendai ke ara to wo me jiro ma ara ti te de man ko ta ne ko ye ka la re ni ba
ya
ala ya
naam
ka ni ma ko la re ka ne ti to ka de ni ma
okay
ala enen dai ni wo ne ko zo wo ko ne ka ti tira so wo me ye ye ko la ye te da la ji di men te da la a je ma donc ko ke la
oh yo
wo ne ka ti tira o kɛra tu ji la l'argument Never that shedding empire. They come back when you hear Asima. Can you monia? What when you know about can you money? The time I get out. Bye. Let us have more come out together.
Yeah.
I appreciate you now that you will see. There's a ready road.
Oh. No, man.
Never die, man, let's do ya. Cut day, Carmel Julia. I got you. You know, about the 12 some. Because you want to get over here. He gets to your one.
Yeah.
Then die, you know. Because someone will break it. That the come what will. Will it tell it? This what people that come what will be done.
Before you come.
Hey, my man, I've been shot. My man, you were to come.
Oh, nine years.
Yeah, I think it's time from that year. You could check a swim below the bread. We are for New Year.
Yeah.
So I'm in the car most of
Aye.
what could you share here, and to answer
Yeah, I was sorry.
now you have to go to this guy.
Me.
Yeah, yes, sir. Oh, yeah, that's my yes. When I check, I can get them.
Oh, yeah.
Now, for the checker to put in Yakin, I don't Pablo. Since you start on bullet to put in Yakin. Come on, that's what I'm doing.
The fire. Now.
What do I used to sound about? Yeah, I took one minute, you so cut to me to my own.
Yeah.
Check a swallow the bread. I don't want to matter on the
Jim, when you're I.
Go on, Mr. Yelly. What one Mr. Yelly?
You remain poor. You wish to remain poor for
Seriously. I'm going to boil 037202017. Are you able to solve?
That's all.
Nah.
You solo, Carcava Comodo and that.
Kagawaku Kadwana, you.
Alhamdulillah.
There's a guy that party.
Don't play a first time in Yalanga.
Okay.
You look for Mumma Catalana.
Okay.
Today, Conca, Boga back on the Yara.
Okay.
Eagerly talk.
Now.
Don't far being your admission camera and the career will you email it.
Okay.
Then no, somebody show me.
Okay.
Ghana Education Service Malabama rules.
Okay.
Kabumama, yes, but Pamitilla all schools. Labumama, Sesila, Kusmaster, Bumama rules. He didn't go in contrast to GS Mama rules.
Okay.
I mean, to Kuma Mama, Selpan and Yellow.
Okay.
Maybe comes down with Kuna Carabella. You need to come the camera, come here and I hear it. I will give the entire admission card for 1 year, but 2 admission.
Okay.
You could hear now, now, so you get to that.
Now. Now. Yeah.
Now the benefit of yellow.
Don't you have it?
You will support. Did that get all? Now, so, come on. But you come down and be getting. When I'm done, the so, never be. I tend to go to Kobe Kambana, in Kurgai, the Tima Butcher, Kajani, Kuto, where you are so big. Karakan was on the shower.
Wow.
Tigesula.
Now.
So, in 7 years, now the Mercedes picture, so I'm down the bishop. I will find the informal car who's right. This girl to be some band of them. Yeah,
the fire. Okay.
Come now,
Aye, now, but no. Okay. The free pie. Ami, thank you so much. I got well in 037202017. Okay, are you aboned to solo?
Hello?
Just are you aboned?
Pichon Zaki.
Pichon Zachi. Capichon and Bill Zachi.
I love you now.
So, that's the kind of party.
You might have the
Alhamdulillah.
The fire.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now.
Remember Hunter, no,
1 year. Yaman, yeah.
I mean that I'm in here. Color at the Baru. What do you wo nan ban ya da shi no ko na wun su ne kan ko mun ya la no mun ya ko nan mo ka tan
wow
e karinya di ka no ma di karinya su ko shi ko ba wo ne kan mun ga so shalma kan bora ka buhar ka buhar min na rufu mun tala ki hama an ya zo ma alin su mutu ga mun kama su mu kan ne ja da kan ne ja ne zan fa
okay
ai zan an ya ki in da lura an ya ji da ku kan ba da zan da kallama
Okay.
So arziki la namma. Arziki taballa. Ni ba lam bonya arziki. Karle ta batanda.
Okay.
Ni ba la bonya arziki. Karle ta batanda shi.
Nah.
Wannan ran ga mun tantu wanda soda. Fatan fura sai ku to sai ko la ma ta ne mana no to ga dan din da ba fara ba jam ko shi ka kawon farantan da na samu.
Wow.
Ka zan ada mantan da wannan tunan wasu nan ma na biki ne ka je ni shi ko yal bi yu kina no data bi yu ki data ba ko yalo ba
Oh yeah.
amma yalla duma dan mu je fa ne sai ko kina no
Me yikara.
ka shi ku me sai ko kina ta ba kana kafa ba tiyar amma da dan bayan wusura
Wow.
ya kanya lorma ya to aluna ni di dai lo ba lu bombo ba mo to chanjang lo ba ina chanjang na ko ko ba ni ko ba mo to chanjang ko mlalle ama ngan ka di karmana kamora kula bukata no mo to ba ka bo lu ba ka ya bo ko nya la
Yeah.
ngani ko so mo to ma han sa bi ta ka san ali ko la di no ko ne do ma ni kira so ni za hankali ni ya gomban bama lare
Waya.
tambwara kawan so ne kan kawan da ne
Ai, da ku biya.
to so jamar mu mata den
Ka biya.
kawan ya ne so in ta ko in ka ta da nan kawan biya
Okay.
kare tira ja ko shana marana ko kuwa